How to make ChatGPT produce poems. ChatGPT can be used to generate poems by providing it with specific instructions and details related to the type of poem you want to generate. Here are some steps to get started. 1. Identify the type of poem. Start by identifying the type of poem you want to generate, such as a sonnet, haiku, or free verse. This will help you provide ChatGPT with the relevant information needed to generate the poem. 2. Gather necessary details. Gather all the necessary details needed for the poem, such as the theme, mood, tone, and any specific requirements or guidelines. 3. Use a template. To make the process easier, consider using a poem template. You can find templates online that can be used as a starting point and customized to meet your specific needs. 4. Provide instructions to ChatGPT. Once you have the necessary details and a template, provide specific instructions to ChatGPT on how to generate the poem. For example, you might say, please generate a haiku poem about nature, with a focus on the changing seasons. 5. Review and edit. Once ChatGPT has generated the poem, review it carefully to ensure it meets your requirements and is appropriate for your intended audience. You may need to edit or revise certain parts of the poem to make it more suitable or relevant. Some sources for more information on using ChatGPT to generate poems include, Can Artificial Intelligence Create Poetry? By the New York Times. This article discusses the use of AI in generating poetry, including examples of poems generated by AI tools. How to use AI for creative writing and poetry by IBM Watson. This article provides an overview of how AI can be used to generate poetry and other creative content. Poetry written by artificial intelligence, a comparative study of computer-generated poetry by the International Journal of Humanities and Social Science Research. This research paper explores the use of AI in generating poetry and provides a comparative analysis of poems generated by different AI tools. I hope this helps you get started with using ChatGPT to generate poems.